I'm Wayne Carlson from Carlson Countertops in Skokie, Illinois. We've been in the same location for almost 60 years now. We've been in business since 1903. My brother and I have both owned this mess. We've both owned the company since 1979. 1903, my grandfather started the company. My father built the place we're in right now. What we do is we do plastic laminate, which is formica, and solid surface, which is corian and styron countertops, used in both commercial and residential applications. Our two main fabricators in the shop have been with us for over 30 years now, and we've got experience. There isn't anything that these guys can't do. We thermoform, which is heating and bending of solid surfaces, and we actually have a custom line of bathroom sinks that we've made up that are available nowhere else in the world. When we do residential work, we're doing a lot of countertop replacement works. So what that means is we're actually going in and removing someone's countertop and putting in a new countertop. It will take about 45 minutes of someone's time in the morning to measure up, leave their house for about a week.
That's what the counter will look like, and it'll be a little heavier. Countertops you're making are going to go underneath it.
And they have to be notched around this.
So that's what you're measuring now.
We want this to get pretty close to tight to that.
Everything went well. Had a few extra things to go over with that apron sink, but other than that, pretty much business as usual.
One of our best processes is a faultless process, and the person who goes out and measures the job will actually be the fellow who builds the job and installs the job. So there's no communication that gets lost in between.
Tell me what you're doing.
I'm stacking edges. That's it. Now I'm marking it.
That's the process right there.
The green bars are the main support for the whole countertop. That is what is sitting on the cabinets that's supporting everything. Alright, now we're going to glue the edges on. The front edges are the edges that are visibly seen by the customer.
Okay.
Denatured alcohol. Clean off any dirt. The board is green. It's moisture resistant. It's a two-part component.
Okay, it's like an epoxy.
Mixer tip.
Okay,
Mixing the two components as they come out of the gun.
all right.
All right. Face down. Face down. Cover, squeeze.
They're a little bit extra so that you can all sand it smooth and keep your dimension.
You always want squeeze out. Will be routed off later. Cleaned up and sanded. Using the template that John made, we're going to need to cut this to follow the walls. We're adding 1.25 inches. No walls are straight. Trace that on there. Trace that on there.
Okay, so this is a true right angle right here, right? This
Correct.
is like 90 degrees?
That is correct.
Okay.
That now will get cut off to follow
You can see how
so that we can fit to the wall.
far off it is.
We'll do this in a series. Double checking, make sure we followed what was scribed. Follows that curve. The front edge. My backsplash, which will be the same material, if I stop the edge detail when it goes on, these 2 points will be perfectly even. If I
Okay.
ran the route all the way through, you'd have a gap.
Yes, that might.
It's a 1/4 inch round over bit. We're going to do a 1/4 inch radius on the top and a 1/4 inch radius on the bottom.
Come back in about a week's time, remove their countertops and install their countertops. They literally can have breakfast on their old countertops and have lunch on their new countertops.
So it's install day.
Yeah, but it's great because once these are on, things go pretty fast then. I think.
Is there
We gotta do a little bit over here.
So all the little touches, you're pretty impressed, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Just put it in there and wipe it off. Your phone isn't ringing. And everything's silicone dry. Because
No,
if
we
you get
won't.
dirt in it now, it's in it forever. If
We
you
won't
wait
be doing
till
anything
it,
for a few days, so.
once it's hardened, anything
Yeah.
that's on it, it'll wipe right off.
There's the check.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my god, this looks.
You got a tool bag, Mike? I got it.
The guys who are doing the work have been doing the work with us for 30 years. They're well knowledgeable. They're probably some of the best guys in the United States doing this work. Best guys in the business doing this work. We pride ourselves on speed, and that's what matters in this game. We can turn kitchens around in a matter of days. Usually takes us about a week. If we want to push it through, we can get it done in about 3 to 5 days. We don't make mistakes because the same fellow who measures it is the same guy who builds it, and it's the same guy who does the installation on it. And any information that is given to him on the job site supersedes anything that's given to us in the office.